Welcome to MindBlow, the ultimate destination for jaw-dropping content that will surprise, inspire, and entertain you every step of the way. If you love discovering the unexpected, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends to keep the excitement going. Your support helps us keep blowing minds and creating content you'll never forget. So buckle up and get ready, because this is just the beginning. When we hear AUKUS, we picture nuclear submarines, massive, silent, and powerful. But submarines are just one part of the story. Beneath the headlines, a quieter revolution is underway. Pillar II. Instead of building a few big machines, Pillar II is about weaving a web of smart, interconnected technologies. Think of it as the alliance's nervous system, where the UK, Australia, and the US share cutting-edge defense capabilities. Here, speed, intelligence, and adaptability matter more than brute strength. The future of conflict is being shaped not by steel, but by code and data. This is where the UK and Australia's partnership comes alive, making their forces smarter and more connected. In the 21st century, victory goes to the quickest and cleverest, not just the biggest. Information, who sees, understands, and reacts fastest, is the new battlefield. While submarines are being built, scientists, engineers, and software developers are already delivering results. Two nations, separated by oceans but united by vision, are combining their strengths to create something new. This isn't just about new weapons, it's about changing how we think about defense. The impact of this quiet revolution will echo for decades. Pillar II is the engine room of AUKUS, where ideas become reality. If Pillar I builds the ship, Pillar II designs its brain, combat systems, navigation, and intelligence tools. It's about joint innovation in AI, quantum tech, cyber warfare, and hypersonics. The UK and Australia are breaking down barriers, collaborating from the start of R&D. No more working in silos. Now, a British scientist and an Australian engineer can share data in real time. This seamless pipeline ensures both nations get the same cutting-edge tech. It's not just buying equipment, it's building a shared science and technology enterprise. By sharing costs and risks, they can tackle projects too big for one nation alone. This deep integration builds trust and binds their futures together. Information flows freely, joint exercises become more meaningful, and planning is truly integrated. The relationship evolves from alliance to partnership, creating a formidable force for stability. This is the daily work and the vision of Pillar II. Military power used to mean counting tanks and ships, but now the focus is shifting from platforms to the networks that connect them. Imagine 100 archers, all linked. One spots the target, AI calculates the perfect shot, and they strike together. The network, not the individual, is the real power. Pillar II is building this system of systems, where every sensor, weapon, and soldier is a node in a vast grid. A drone detects a threat, shares data with a warship, which launches a missile guided by satellite info. Even missiles can work as a team, communicating in flight. This isn't science fiction, it's the UK-Australia goal. Smaller, cheaper platforms become powerful when networked. Swarms of drones, guided by AI, can overwhelm billion-dollar defenses. Information superiority, seeing, understanding, and acting faster, is the ultimate weapon. That's why Pillar II invests in data links, AI, and secure communications. It's about building the digital backbone for tomorrow's military. To win in networked warfare, you must see and think faster than your adversary. 4 technical areas drive the UK-Australia pillar. 2. Collaboration. First, advanced seekers and sensors. The eyes and ears of smart weapons, able to find targets in any environment. Second, secure data links, robust, high-bandwidth communications that work even under attack. Third, artificial intelligence. The brain that sifts data, spots threats, and recommends actions. AI enables weapons to adapt in real time, making split-second decisions. The UK and Australia are developing trusted ethical AI for reliable use in combat. Fourth, modularity, building weapons from interchangeable parts. Need a new seeker or better AI? Just swap the module, not the whole missile. This Lego brick approach makes upgrades fast and affordable. Forces can evolve at the speed of software, staying ahead of new threats. These innovations are the building blocks of the smart weapons revolution. Pillar 2 isn't just theory, it's happening now in labs and on test ranges. The UK's missile expertise and Australia's strengths in propulsion and manufacturing are combining to build better weapons. For example, teams are enhancing the Sea Venom missile, blending British seekers with Australian propulsion and testing in South Australia. This isn't just sharing blueprints, it's joint teams solving problems together, in real time. Collaboration extends to how these weapons are used, with common systems on both nations' ships and joint exercises refining integration. Data from tests is shared instantly, allowing rapid improvements. A problem found in Australia can be fixed by UK engineers within days. This agile, adaptive approach keeps both nations at the technological edge. Pillar 2 is a true partnership, delivering real benefits for both the UK and Australia. The UK gains access to Australian innovation, unique testing grounds, and a stronger Indo-Pacific presence. Joint tech development supports British jobs, exports, and keeps the UK at the forefront of defense. For Australia, it means access to UK expertise and a boost to its own sovereign defense industry. Both nations get more capable, interoperable forces, able to operate seamlessly together. Shared technology means greater deterrence and stability in the Indo-Pacific. This partnership grows both countries' industries and security. Together, they're stronger and more resilient. Such deep collaboration isn't easy. Export controls and information sharing rules can slow progress, even between close allies. AUKUS is working to streamline these barriers, treating each other more like domestic partners. Cybersecurity is another challenge. Shared networks must be robust against attack. The UK and Australia are building joint standards and resilient systems to protect their innovations. Pillar 2 marks a shift from slow, transactional deals to dynamic, continuous co-development. It's a strategic imperative, harnessing shared history and ingenuity to shape a safer world. The UK and Australia aren't just reacting to the future of warfare, they're building it together.